In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link table to calendar Notion tutorial. By the end, you'll have a quick, reliable way to jump between a calendar event and the table it references, all without overcomplicating your workspace. First, make sure you have both pieces ready to go, a calendar and a table in Notion. In Notion, these are databases, and they can live as separate pages or as views within a page. If you're not sure, open your calendar in one tab and your table in another so you can switch between them easily. It also helps to name them clearly so you know which is which as you work. Next, head to the left sidebar, find your table in the list of pages, and right-click it. Choose Copy Link. This grabs the direct link to that table's page or database view, and it's what we'll use to connect it to your calendar. You're essentially creating a simple bridge, so anywhere you paste this link will take you straight back to the table. Now, switch to your calendar. Click on the date where you want to add an item and create a new calendar entry. Give it a clear title so it's easy to find later. When the calendar item opens as a page, you'll see the main content area where you can type notes, add checklists, or drop in links. In that content area, paste the link you copied from the table. Notion will recognize the link immediately. You can leave it as a regular link or let Notion render it as a preview, depending on your preference. Either way, this calendar item now includes a direct path back to your table. That's the core connection, and it's all you need to move efficiently between the two. A few quick tips to make this feel seamless. Keep the link near the top of the calendar page so it's easy to find later. If you use the same table frequently, you can create a small Links section at the start of each calendar entry and paste it there. Also, double-check that the link works by clicking it once. It should take you back to the table instantly. And that's it. You prepared your calendar and table, copied the table's link from the sidebar, created a calendar item on the date you wanted, and pasted the link into the item. Simple, fast, and effective. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part if you want to follow along step by step as you set this up in your own workspace.